Welcome everyone. This is a quick video when I'm gonna give you a quick tour of my new bathroom and we're gonna discuss exactly how much money I spent renovating it. By the way, it's a continuation to my previous video where I show you how this bathroom was done step by step. So if you haven't seen it yet, I'll post a link to that video as well right here. In preparation to the bathroom works, I had to make the room slightly bigger. So I'll show you now how the old bathroom looked. It was this wall right here, the wall with the shower, that has been completely demolished, the old wall, and the new wall was put in a different position to make the bathroom slightly bigger. To do that, I also had to replace this window, that's a new sash window, and put a new patio door in new position, because the old door was right here where the wall is, so it was inside this bathroom. So that old door had to be removed, opening had to be made in a new space, new location. New door was supplied and installed. Then I installed a new sash window because old window was just falling apart and it was timber as well, so it wasn't suitable for wet areas, and this window is within the shower area. I also had to move one opening and a bit of a wall going to the kitchen. So we're gonna include all of that work in the cost of this bathroom. The sash window itself was £432 and the patio door was £492. So this wall to the bathroom was extended towards me, and that's a new door. If you look right here, again this opening was moved that way away from the bathroom because the old opening between the kitchen and the bathroom was inside the bathroom. If you're interested in that, just watch my other video where I show you exactly how this job was done. So the tiles both on the wall and on the floor are the same tiles, they're just different colors. And they come from Tile Giant. Those are called Supreme Matte, silver on the wall, and Supreme Charcoal on the floor. The cost of those tiles was roughly about £50 per square meter, and the total cost for this little bathroom was around £800. Yeah, the tap, the bath, the shower kit and the bath filler, they are from Victorian Plumbing. The total cost of the taps, shower and the bath was £740. Right here we've got a nice boxing for the basin and the concealed toilet frame, and above the boxing we have a mirrored cabinet. This mirrored cabinet has a light that you can turn on without having to touch the switch. Just wave your hand below and the light come on. It also has the misters on the mirrors itself, which is super handy. I love it because when you brush your teeth or when you shave after you've used your shower, the mirrors, they don't fog. This cabinet is from, I bought it online from Tap Warehouse. I think the website is tapwarehouse.co.uk, and it was £440. The basin itself is from a company called Rack. They manufacture those basins, as is the toilet. Rimless pan is from Rack as well. And the basin was £79. The toilet with the soft close seat was quite cheap, only £97. Those two items and the Grohe concealed cistern with the frame. The Grohe concealed system with the frame was £220, and the basin, concealed frame with the cistern, and the toilet, the pan itself, they are from a company called QS Supplies. And I don't know where this came from. It just turned up one day. Blame my girlfriend for that. On this wall we have a stainless steel towel rail, 400 wide, so it's quite a small towel rail, and I've installed it quite high because the bathroom is so small that when you sit on the toilet it needs to be above your knees so you don't hit the valves. So that's the reason why it's so high. Also, it's at the correct height for you to put the towels on. I got this one for free, but we're gonna add it to our budget, because you might not be as lucky as me and you might not be able to get a towel rail reused from another job. Average price of those is about £130 if you were to buy a stainless steel radiator. Don't confuse it with chrome radiators that are much cheaper. This is a better quality product. On top of this boxing right here, for the toilet frame and the basin, we've got a very nice worktop. This is a solid laminate worktop, so it's only 12 millimeters thick, and it's fully waterproof, so a great product for bathrooms or wet areas. I bought this one from Worktop Express, and I bought 1.5 meter by 340 millimeters piece, and it was £125 for this worktop. One thing I still haven't got is a shower screen for here, and I've got a bit of a problem with that because I'm just scared of buying shower screens, because in my experience they all leak after a while, especially from the corner where the shower screen joins the bath and the wall. And I'm yet to see a decent shower screen. So if you have experience with a good shower screen that doesn't fall apart, doesn't leak, I want a shower screen that doesn't leak. If you know of one, if you heard of used a shower screen yourself, leave a link below in comment sections and point me to a decent shower screen. Because that's one of the things that I still have to buy and install in this bathroom, actually the last thing. But for an argument of completion of a full budget for this bathroom, let's just allow £200 for the shower screen and add it to our total. So when it comes to cost, we've covered tiles, sanitaryware, new window and new patio door. Additional costs are rubbish removal. I had to book 4 separate minimum load rubbish removals because I did this bathroom over a longer period of time. So the demolitions, the moving of a patio door and moving of walls happened before the bathroom work happened, and I had other jobs in between. So there were 2 rubbish removals for that, and additional 2 rubbish removals for the bathroom works. And the total of that was £480 for 4 separate minimum load rubbish removals. All the building materials for the bathroom work and the work outside of the bathroom, to moving the walls or putting the patio door in or removing a structural wall there, as well as all the electrical fittings, so new spotlights, new extractor fan, all of that came to £1,400. When it comes to labor, I had other trades helping me. I had a plasterer here for 1 day, and the plasterer charged me £200 for that day of work. I had another trade help me install the bathroom and tile the bathroom for 5 days, and I paid him £800 for that. So if I were to price my labor involved in all those renovations, you have to remember that was also installing the window, installing the patio door and doing some structural works to the walls. I would price my own labor at £3,500. So the whole project labor, including other trades, takes us to £4,500. So if you were to add the cost of the labor and the other costs that we've discussed so far, you're gonna get a figure of so much. I don't know myself yet because I haven't added it up, so I'll have to display it on the screen. I hope this has been helpful, and if you're planning your own bathroom renovation now, you should have a better idea of the cost involved. Having said that, the regional variation, they'll be massive. I'm just in a discussion on Facebook where fitters from Yorkshire charge less than I charge for labor in London, and they charge that for fully supplied and fitted bathrooms. So the regional variation will be great. But if you are in London or surrounding areas, that should give you a pretty good idea of what to expect on a bathroom renovation of this size and this complication. So remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Click that like button, and I'll see you soon.